GATE 2021 Civil Engineering. Question 46 Set 1. A combined trapezoidal footing of length L supports two identical square columns P1 and P2 of size 0.5 meter and 0.5 meter as shown in the figure. The columns P1 and P2 carries load of 2000 kN and 1500 kN respectively. If the stress beneath the footing is uniform, the length of combined footing L, this L will be. They have asked this L in meters. You can refer these NPTEL video lectures in order to know more about this question. Let us understand this question. They have given that these both the columns are square and are of size 0.5 meter into 0.5 meter. This is having 2000 kilo Newton load and this is having 1500 kilo Newton load. They have asked this L and also they have given the center to center distance between these two columns is 5 meter. Okay, so from this we can get the CG of these two loads, right? CG of these two load we can get. If we get CG of these two loads, we can get the center of gravity of this entire footing, right? If we get center of gravity of this entire footing, we will get this L, right? So let's proceed. So first calculate the CG of these two loads. This is load P1, this is load P2. The distance between them is 5 meter clearly given in the diagram. Let's suppose this is the x distance from P1 where CG lies of these two loads, that is reaction. CG means CG of these two loads nothing but the reaction. So calculate this. So P R reaction into x bar equals to P1 into 0 plus P2 into 5. Therefore x bar will be 1500 into 5 divided by 3500, which will give x bar as 2.143 meters, right? So now let us find this y bar. So y bar is nothing but the extra the distance between this left side of the footing to CG of a footing. This is a y bar. So y bar will be this x bar plus half of this footing, right? Half of this footing. Footing is of 0.5 meters, so it will be 0.25. It will be 0.25. That's we get y bar as 2.393 meter, right? Now we know the CG of footing. They have mentioned that the footing is uniform. The stress beneath the footing is uniform. So this footing, entire footing is stress is uniform. So we can directly calculate CG of footing equals to y bar equals to this y bar. CG of footing y bar equals to B1 plus twice B2. You can call it as H1 as well if you want to. B1 plus B2 into L by 3. This is the formula of CG of a trapezoidal section or shape. So we know this y bar 2.393 equals to B1 is 5 plus twice B2 is 1.5. If you are confused what is B1 and B2, so this is B1 and this is a B2. After that B1 plus B2, that is 5 plus 1.5 into L by 3. So from this we get L is equals to 5.833 meters. So it will be approximately 5.8 5.83 meter. So our answer up to 2 decibel up to 2 decimal is 5.83. I am writing it here 5.83. Thank you.